Respected sir and my dear friends, today we are going to talk about BRICS versus Quad. BRICS and Quad are two groups which are formed by different countries in the world. These are major groups. BRICS is a group of 5 countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are the founder countries of this group. Later, more countries like Egypt, Ethiopia, and different countries, including United Arab Emirates, has joined BRICS. Whereas Quad is a group of 4 countries like Australia, Japan, USA, and India. These are also the founder countries of Quad. So today we are going to discuss about BRICS versus Quad, and we will go through the PPT, and then at the end I will summarize the different points. So let's move forward. So currently India is part of both BRICS and Quad, and both group are very essential and very useful, that provides many grounds they are useful to India. And different countries like Russia and China have some problems with India joining both the groups Quad and BRICS. Let's move forward. So what is BRICS? As I have told earlier, that Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, these countries have formed the group, and other countries like United Arab Emirates, Egypt, and different countries are now the part of this group. BRICS, an important point here is that BRICS was found in 2006, and it was the major reason for forming BRICS is economic stability in these countries. Let's move forward. Quad, on the other hand, is a group of 4 countries: Japan, Australia, USA, and India. You can see in this diagram it forms a quadrilateral type of thing. So it is named Quad, and full form of Quad is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. These countries share common interest with China aggression in Indo-Pacific Ocean. So these countries come together to take an action against China. Let's move forward. Let's talk about BRICS versus Quad. BRICS is group of countries that the major reason to form BRICS was economic development in these countries. BRICS countries have a vision that these countries will become major economic power till 2050. And BRICS, for India, BRICS is important because India shares approximately 3,500-kilometer border with China, and to promote bilateral relationship, BRICS is an important factor for India. Moreover, BRICS is important to promote bilateral relationship with Russia, who is the friend of India since past. Let's move forward. Quad, on the other hand, which is a group of 4 countries, they share common interest because of China's aggression in Indo-Pacific Ocean. So they came together to oppose China. Quad countries have helped each other during COVID-19, and they have provided medication to each other. On the other hand, China supports Taliban in Afghanistan, whereas Quad countries do oppose that. Let's move forward. China, our neighbor, is worried that India, it says many times that India is also a part of BRICS and Quad, and it condemns India's decision. But for India, it is important that BRICS and Quad both are important for India, and India can make balance in these two organizations to promote its development. In the conclusion, we can say that for India, both BRICS and Quad is important to promote its growth and economic stability. So dear friends, now I will give a small lecture on BRICS as well as Quad, and we will talk about different aspects of these two organizations, and I will give it in a combined form. So as we have learned through the PPT that India is the part of both BRICS and Quad. BRICS is a group of Asian countries in which Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa are the parts of this group, and BRICS are part of this group, whereas BRICS, the major reason of BRICS is that to promote economic development and to establish a hegemony in Asia. Countries like China, Russia promotes this group, and USA wants to suppress this group, whereas India wants to sustain this group. And let's talk about Quad. Quad is a group of 4 countries: Japan, Australia, USA and India. And USA supports Quad, and these countries have helped each other during COVID-19, and this group is basically formed to compress China's aggression in Indo-Pacific Ocean. And China also supports Taliban in Afghanistan, whereas the Quad countries do not support this opinion. So they together are formed to condemn China in different opinions. So at the conclusion, I want to say that BRICS and Quad both are very powerful organization, and India is part of both groups. And for India to promote its growth in economic and in different aspects, India has to make a balance in these two organizations, and with a balanced approach, India can.
Just saw a wonderful presentation given by PPT, and thereafter, now this is one of the way where you can also do it at your home. You all people should have to practice. Now we'll be regularly doing this exercise for all of you, so that all of you can do your PPTs, thereafter come up with a lecture. So yes, as you heard him, his speech has to be more louder, number one. More crisp. Crisp means, it doesn't have to be very sluggish. The suggestion for you. You have to take it in the right way. So you have to understand that it has to be more crisp, so that you can speak to the writer. Yes, please add more details. What are the other things you can, so that you have good content. You've already talked about lecture of introduction, feedback, expert opinion, own opinion, summary and conclusion. So use this format, try to frame your speech so that you can give a good speech that lecture exercise in SSB. So I hope you've got this point. Everyone should be getting this point too. The demo class is sure tomorrow you will much crisper and much more energetic lecture. Okay, so this is a small sample which we will post to understand. Right? Very much. Then.